welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a winter break night routine. I usually wrap up doing like YouTube stuff and other things I have to do around 6 or 7 depending on the day. I was just uploading that day's vlogmas. Then I decided I wanted to work out. I've been trying to work out every other day. I've been loving doing the Peloton, and especially if it's a 20 or 30 minute ride, there's really no excuse not to. So I've been doing EDM rides. I tried out doing Olivia Amato again, and I really liked her. There's Teddy. Hey, what's up guys? Megan here. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to pop in and intro this video, but I'm actually going to be doing a voiceover for most of this, which is kind of funny and very OG YouTube, I feel like, but I wanted to make this like a super cute video. This is going to be my winter break night routine, and I've been trying to establish some kind of a routine at night just so that I feel more productive, or at least I have something to look forward to. I focus a lot on my nights being very relaxing and time for me, so I just worked out, I ate dinner, I'm about to take a shower. I might decorate the tree tonight, I don't know. If you guys watched my last vlog, you would know why we're just so late on doing all that. And yeah, if you guys like videos like this, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'm making new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday during the month of December until Christmas. And yeah, let's get into my night routine. Okay, so now time to shower. I just love a very relaxing shower after a good workout. I've been loving this storm candle from Marshall's. It's amazing. And here are some of the products that I've been using lately. This is my body wash. I love this scrub from Trader Joe's. Also, this shave syrup is fantastic. And I love this exfoliating cleanser. This is my favorite moisturizer combo, and got my jammies already. And then I just like to pick up my room a little bit at night. Nothing too crazy, just honestly resetting for the next day and making sure that my workspace is tidy. As you can see, I'm doing my desk here. And also just like, I seem to amass so many coffee mugs over the day. So I just bring those downstairs and just like tidying up little things. It really makes me feel like I have my life together. Now this night in particular, I wanted to continue on decorating the house. We've kind of slowly been doing this, but both my parents have been super busy and my brothers are just simply uninterested, so it's been mostly me. So tonight I wanted to clean up, obviously, before I decorated, so I just tidied up the living room, the family room, and then I went into cleaning the kitchen. We run the dishwasher every night so that it's clean for the morning, and that takes a couple hours, so I wanted to make sure and do that. Did the dishes, and then I started decorating. So I added these cute little hand towels, and I did the garland up on the mantle, and just added some like classic Christmas books to the coffee table. And then this tree skirt just made me laugh. It looks so lame, but definitely need like a tree stand or something underneath there. And now I'm setting up the little people nativity. Never did I think I'd be showing this on my channel, but it's super cute. We've had it forever. And this is kind of what it looks like. Oh, and the mistletoe. Every year around Christmas, I always am drawn to play piano again, so I just played a couple songs on the piano this night, and it just really relaxes me, honestly, and I wish I did this more. No matter what happens every night, I always set aside an hour to puzzle, which makes me sound like I'm 80, but I love it. I've been loving this Cape Cod puzzle. It's my all-time favorite. And I just set aside an hour or so to work on it, and I've been watching Gossip Girl lately while doing it, and let me just say, I got to the best scene of all time in Gossip Girl today. I mean, I've seen this show so many times, and yet it just is so fantastic the 8th time around. So now I'm on to skincare. My emphasis on skincare lately has been to really make sure my face is moisturized at night. So these are the products that I use. I start off with toner, and I just do this with a cotton pad all over my face. Then I go in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer, and this is just kind of like a base layer. I use this morning and night. It's pretty light, but still moisturizing. At night, sometimes I use this Origins Drink Up Intensive Face Mask. It is the only thing that makes my redness go down significantly, and I just feel so great the next morning when I wake up with this on. And then I've been trying to use eye cream more. This one's from a FabFitFun box forever ago, and then I found this out from TikTok, but I use a pea-size amount of Differin all over my face, and this is supposed to be really good for cell regeneration, and it's supposed to get rid of all your acne over time, so trying this out for sure. When I brush my teeth, don't forget to do that. Now it's actually time to get into bed. I start by watching vlogmases from the day, and then I put my computer away eventually, and I grab my journal and my book. When I journal, I do stream of consciousness journaling, so I just put the date up at the top, and if you'll notice, this is just completely wrong. I was like 2 days off, but I just write anything that I'm thinking, and it's been very beneficial for this time period that we're in. It just really helps me to kind of gather my thoughts. I also like to read this book by Rachel Hollis. It's just so good. It's called Girl Wash Your Face. Usually read a chapter or so. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.